Welcome. If you want to change default application in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, for the first you have to go for the settings, and right now scroll down and enter for the apps, tap on this manage apps, and tap right here on the right upper corner on these three horizontal dots and select default apps. And right now we can change the browser application, and we can select three apps: default browser, Google Chrome and Opera Mini. And you have to just pick up your favorite, and I think that I'm going to take Opera as my default application. And as you can see, it's finished. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.